Good day once more, people. This is your boy Eduardo Agbo and welcome to my latest tutorial. On today's tutorial we are going to see how we are going to use an electric motor, and to the shaft of the electric motor we are going to attach a larger pulley which is going to give its motion of rotation to a smaller pulley using a belt system. Now if you observe very well, you're going to see a completed electrical motor that has been drawn. This is where we are going to do put our power source, and now this is our motor. This is where air is going to go out so that our motor will not heat or will not generate a large amount of heat. Now if I zoom out here, you're going to discover that my pulley is kind of different. Yes, now I've drawn this structure and this structure here. Now with this structure has been drawn, this is what I'm going to use to mate together with the belt so I could get a better and a good result. So without much ado, we are just going to start with our simulation. So now this is what we're going to do. Now first of all, you're going to discover how you could modify. So I'm going to rename this. I'm going to say motor pulley system. So I'm going to say motor pulley system. Now once I've set motor pulley system, I'm just going to zoom this man out. So I'm just going to open this man here. So I'm going to take my motor. Now my motor is going to be this structure inside, so I'm going to zoom it so you can see it clear. Now this is what is going to be my motor, so I'm going to choose my motor in here. So this surface, now I've chosen my motor, and now I'm going to change the direction of rotation. So it's going to rotate it's going to rotate clockwise. So I'm going to take this. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to calculate this. So calculating this, you could see already how everything is going, so it is already calculated. Now what I'm going to do is 5 seconds is too small, so I'm going to enlarge this, let's say about a minute. So I'm going to take this to 1 minute. So 1 minute is okay. So I'm going to decrease this young man, zoom out. I'm going to zoom out so you could really see what's going to happen when I'm going to start. So now I'm going to start this. Now you're going to observe that the belt is serving as a medium of power transmission, because it's going to transmit the movement of this larger pulley to this smaller pulley. So it's kind of slow. So what you're going to do is you are going to increase the speed. So let's say, okay, it will take the speed to ×5. What are we going to get at the result? So what we're going to do is we are going to take it to, now we are going to increase it by 2. So we are going to go 2 times, and now please watch and see how the speed is going to change. So you are going to see how this is going to be funny. So now you can see that the smaller pulley gives the motion to the larger pulley. So that is how it works on a pulley system. So thank you. Once again, this is your boy Eduardo Agbo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, so let me know what you're thinking, and let me know if you want us to draw this system together so I could bring up video on it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you. See you next